Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I look busted up, I look toe up. Don't even say it, don't think about it, just throw it out the window. So I just woke up and I'm in a good mood though. It feels good outside, but y'all, why am I doing makeup when I need to be doing my work? What is wrong with me? But I'm gonna be doing a smoky eye today. I have not done a smoky eye in a while, but I was like, I'm in the mood, so we're just gonna see. So let's get into this video. As I got through with my eyebrows, we're gonna go in with, what palette do I have in front of me? This is the 35M palette. Yeah, I never know because I threw the box away because it got messed up, so it just ain't Morphe. I know this is my 35M because, yep, at least I still got the paper. So I'm trying to see. I was trying to debate what colors I want to use for this. I'm obviously gonna do brown and black, but I'm trying to see. I'm gonna blend with brown. And I kind of want to do black up here, but on the lid and then blend out. But I wonder if it'd be too dark. We just gonna see. We can always fix though. That's the good thing about makeup. If you mess up, you can easily fix it. And y'all wouldn't even know I messed up unless I told y'all like I would if I did. Let's just start. I'm gonna take my black eyeshadow, pure black. And I'm gonna put this on my lid, y'all. Now, good tip. When you're doing a smoky eye, you don't want to do foundation first. Do the eye first because that stuff is going to get everywhere, and black really mixes with your foundation. If you do that first, it's not worth it. Do your eyeshadow first all the time. I always say that just so you don't mess up. You know, people, it be some makeup artists who do foundation first, and I'd be like, y'all are just gifted because like I cannot. Anyways, let's just start. Tell me why, y'all. I forgot I was doing black, and I was like, I'm gonna mention in this video that I'm wearing a white shirt. I'm just happy that stuff didn't get everywhere because, oh my god, it's a mess to clean up when you use black eyeshadow on your like full eye. That's a mess. On it with my brown, and I'm gonna put this on the outside first. This is how I kind of like call it like layering it. Y'all, I didn't even think about it that I'm wearing a white top. Oh my god. It's about to get real. That's all I know when I start blending. It's about to get real. We're going to layer it like an ice cream because I'm blending it together. And this is a dark brown in this palette, y'all. You can use any color you want, any brown you want. And we're going to blend. So I layered the brown because it's an easier way to blend it in, y'all. I love it. I love a good smoky eye, and I have not done a smoky eye in a while, so I was excited to do this. All it is blending, y'all. You just be careful because depending on where you want your black, you don't want it everywhere now. I blended upward with the brown. That's why I wanted a lighter color than the black on top of the black, so it's easier to blend and you can see the difference. It's so much easier this way, and I just like how it looked. You can do it any way you want. Everybody has their own type of smoky eye. You could do a full black eye, full dark brown eye. There's so many ways to achieve a good eye, y'all. There's like no limit to this, and that's what's cool about it. Okay, y'all, so we have our smoky eye. You know, it actually turned out better than I thought. So it's literally two colors. I mixed two colors, black and the brown. And it got darker, obviously, because of the black, which I'm okay with because I really wanted just a smoky dark eye. So you could do smoky eyes any type of way. You could do all black if you want. That's the good thing. Now, we're going to go in. I'm trying to see. Liner, yeah. Even though it's black on my, I don't know if you should be able to see it. I'm like, because liner is darker. So let's go with our liner. So now I'm doing my eyeliner, y'all, and I could have went without it, but at the same time, I'm wearing lashes, so I really just didn't want you to see the eyelash line that much. If I was not wearing lashes, I would try to be as precise as possible, but y'all, at this point, y'all know me or should or about to. I don't really care about liner when I'm wearing lashes because it covers everything. And then after this, y'all will see me I did speed it up, but I put my eyebrow powder, that's what this is, on my liner. I always do it. It's just a good hack to make it dry faster. That's all it is. I like how it look, and already, y'all, you mess up really quick though, but it's an easy fix. Okay, y'all, now let's go and do our foundation. I love how this turned out. Liner, I was showing y'all how I do my eyeliner when I put eyeshadow on it because I just like the way it looks. Y'all, I've been giving y'all a lot of content and I'm so proud of myself. I've been like, this full Thanksgiving break has like gave me the opportunity to like release more. And this as I start doing reaction videos, it's so much more It's fun. It's more fun. I got more stuff to do now and I love it. So now, y'all, the concealer foundation, we all know this process is simple. But y'all, I've been loving like the drama videos, learning about all this new drama in the makeup industry. Oh my God, these people are messy. And that's what I love. I love the mess. I love the tea. I definitely got to catch up on some more because, oh my God, y'all, I've been reacting to so much. I was just like, my head was hurting because it was so much. But it's also funny. It's just funny hearing about drama that doesn't involve you. Doesn't it? Or is it just me? I'm messy. This blended out so good, like it always do, but this time it was something different. Maybe it's like the atmosphere. So y'all, I'm gonna show y'all some clips that I had at Thanksgiving at the end of this video. I said I was gonna show you guys what I ate, and y'all see my sisters for the first time. Well, two of my younger sisters. I was so happy to see them. I'm always in the mood to see my sisters. It was just such a good time, and I'm so excited that I went down to my family's, like my aunt's house. We had everybody there, and it was like, it wasn't awkward this time because normally we're like the ones, like the outcasts. We come like different years, but we've been good, and we've been going every year, and it's been so nice to see everybody and to talk to everybody because Lord knows they got 1,000,001 questions for like college students. So now I'm gonna kind of contour my face. Y'all, I was eating, and I was eating dairy, but I had a lot of the sides. Like my mom made me some little greens. I had mac and cheese, which I was eating this morning too, because I got food I took. They had potato salad. I was like, oh my God, my stomach gonna be towed up. What the heck? But it was a good time. So we're gonna go on and do the outsides, not the outsides, y'all. Well, basically on the outside, my under eye. I'm gonna do my waterline first because I do believe that I am doing a black waterline and a dark brown under eye. Y'all want to know something? iPhones are crap. I just deleted all this stuff, like 4,000 pictures, and then bought more space. I had to spend $299 for 200 gigabytes, and now I'm like, okay, I was able to back it up, and I still got to delete more stuff. I'm like, bro, y'all, this is trash. That's why, I need to leave iPhone, because, like, what's the point paying all this money, you ain't got no storage? I'm not spending $10 on on the 1 terabyte. That's not happening. That would never happen. I'll delete everything in that case. Okay, y'all, so I'm going to set my face and finish everything off camera, and I will see you guys at the end of the video. And this is the finished look, guys. I love how this turned out. I need to start doing more smoky eyes now. Look at it. It turned out really cute, and y'all, this one lash always get on my nerves. This is 2 colors. You could do so much to make a smoky eye. I just used black and a dark brown. I love how it turned out. I set my face, had to do my lip gloss. Y'all, this lash, I swear to God. I need to go buy some more lashes. The hair store open on Black Fridays? I don't know. But y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So look, I see that since people like the video when I was like talking about the mess, I'm gonna have to do more of those. Because I like to like watch him anyway. I was like, might as well react to more of them because I'm like getting more messy on this channel, y'all, and I'm enjoying it. I'm not even mad about it. The makeup world is like a mess right now. Influencers, it's a lot going on. And I'm gonna have to get down to the bottom of it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at I am Tatiana Green. And I'll see you guys on the next video. And I will now show you guys some of my clips from Thanksgiving. Just a tiny bit. Bye. Okay, y'all. Oh, there we go. So, y'all, I want to show y'all my sisters. Oh my God, I don't put them on this channel, but they looking cute today, so I'm gonna do it. Let me see. Here they go. Hey, Pinky. I know your reactions whenever you don't remember. This all going to my YouTube, so say hey to my viewers.
Because she gotta tell. She gotta tell when she lying. Because I was like, you remember.
What's this fit, Pinky?
I should have had a white purse. Or cream.
You're cute though, girl.
The body is bodying. The hair is not. The roots is outdated.
Well, you look good though.
Yeah.
And look at this one.
Give me cat hair. They're on me.
Y'all are cute though.
Okay, I love
These are my younger sisters, y'all. What are you eating, Pinky?
I'm eating turkey dressing and cranberry sauce. The cranberry sauce is made out of cranberries and gelatin. The gelatin is then taken down to make cranberry sauce. I do not know what is in the gravy. I do not know what is in the mac and cheese. I do not know what's in the I do not know what's in the salad.
Look at Roman, y'all. He got so big. So I'm home now. I'm eating banana pudding, dressing, mac and cheese, greens, and I can't eat anything else because it's like a lot of meat. But yeah, y'all, I am about to grub and I'm going back to my dorm. Look at this food. Look at this food. Sit. Oh, you're so cute. This is a nice day to see everybody, y'all.